Hello everybody, here is Tea Rice. What I'm going to do today is a big table and his matching bench. This table, the guests are kept in the newly opened tea room. Time is still in a hurry, so let's get to work. The top of this table uses 2-inch cherry wood. The wood is obvious and the weight comes from. You can hear the judgment. The sound of this wooden screen is distinctive. And this board, it's wider. So in order to prevent deformation, cut it in the middle first. Put it together later. Screen explosion. The danger of this machine. The coefficients are actually very high. So it must be after systematic study. Reboot operation. After obtaining a plane, use a press machine for processing. My videos often feature footage of me changing saw blades because of different types of saw blades corresponding to different processing. Now I want to get the edge for the material. So I'm going to replace it with a thicker saw blade. Please continue watching the video. I won't say anything more. Try to assemble it and find the fixed point of the horizontal support. Finally entering the processing of the last part. That's the itinerary below. How about this one slotted? The usage rate of the machine is indeed very high, right? The two ends of the horizontal support below should be inserted into the scorpion, so open a diagonal hole separately. Scorpions are big and small. Only in this way can it be tightened and loosened. At this point, the structure is all done. Now change to a fillet knife. Give him all the parts to round it up. The radius of this fillet knife is relatively large, so the sales volume of washing is also very large. I washed it twice. Table part. We saw out the rough shape with a curve saw. Then take out the rounded corner template made in advance. Wash out the rounded corner shape with a replica washer. Enter the happy polishing process. All the parts were worn almost all day. But because this table is going to be spray painted, treatment, so it is enough to polish to 240 acres. The polishing work is still relatively easy. Assemble it and see. Okay, the picture of the finished product is at the back.